from Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute. I joined QSpider in June. I have completed till WebTech half and SQL and Java. I got placed as a Java developer in MindGate Solutions. Package was 4.5 LPA. I got so many requirements from here. I got grooming and so many help from the faculties and trainers. Trainers like Bharat sir in SQL, he helped a lot. In Java, Sambhu sir, Kirti ma'am, Vijay sir and Tabre sir helped a lot for the grooming and the parts, all the parts of the Java. And in WebTech, Hari sir helped a lot in HTML, CSS as well as Java still going on. Till now it was a great experience and thank you for the